How to cancel Discord Nitro subscription. What's up everyone? In today's video I'll show you guys how to cancel your Discord Nitro subscription on mobile device. So the very first thing that you have to do is open up your Discord, and from here just head over to the U section at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to open up your settings. If you scroll down a bit on your settings, you will see different options right here, and if you type on the Get Nitro option, what you will do is find different plans that you can take on your Discord Nitro, but if you've already subscribed, you will find here it under your billing settings. So from there, you just have to choose your subscription, and once you tap on your subscription, you will have an option to cancel. So just tap on cancel, and then you will have an option to tap on next. And finally, once you do that, you will have an option to cancel your Nitro. But what you also have to note is that if you have purchased your Nitro using your desktop app or your web browser, then you won't be able to cancel it from your mobile device. So what you will have to do is log in back on your Discord from your web browser or your desktop app in order to cancel the subscription. But if you have taken your subscription from your mobile app, then you should be able to cancel your subscription anytime. So once you do that, you should be able to cancel your subscription. So that is it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys next time.